Introducing the 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA class. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sleek, smooth-riding Mercedes-Benz CLA class sedan, the refined luxury four-door with modern coupe-like looks, poised handling, and a long list of standard features, including driver-assisted safety tech and integrated smartphone connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, stability control, intermittent wipers. Infuse your driving life with modern style and luxury in the CLA class sedan. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.